Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter and Nom. I'm Annette if you are new here. What am I doing today? Opening Ipsy! Like always, I am barefaced because I'm going to be doing a try-on at the end, but we're going to start by opening this bag. So this is this month's bag. It is a soft, dusty looking pink. I don't think I mean that in a negative way. And it's got some lace on the top, kind of looks lingerie-esque. Very cute for Valentine's Day. So I opened my bag and the first thing that I have is Jersey Shore Cosmetics Apple Harvest Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm, because I needed more lip balms. Actually, this time of year, you can never have too many lip balms. This is the packaging, very cute, and it smells like apple juice. I'm gonna put that on right now. The next thing we have in here is a Luna highlighter by Luna. This is the packaging, very romantic looking. And inside, this is the highlighter. It's very pink. And that is it. Wow, that's nice. I'm kind of flying through this today. Next, we have a brush. It's very purple. This is a Farrah large angled contour brush. This is the brush, a cute little engraving on the hilt, and it's very soft. Kind of has a chemically smell to it, so I should probably wash this before I'm gonna use it, but I'm not gonna. Next up, we've got an Ofra collab with Ipsy, a long-lasting liquid lipstick, and the shade name is Ipsy Unzipped. So here it is. It looks like a very cute rosy mauve color. It's darker than I thought it was going to be. Is the color swatched on my pasty hand. And lastly, I think almost everybody got these. This is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. And I got the shade Light, which is ultra fair. That's the packaging, super reflective. I hope I didn't blind any of you. It looks like we get 0.11 fluid ounces, so that is actually really decent. This is a good size. I'm gonna get my hair out of the way. I'm gonna get some makeup that I can get out of the way on my face, and then I'll zoom you in. Okay, I'm back. So I primed my face. I primed my face with the NYX Pore Filler, and for my foundation today I decided why not, and used the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream, which separated, by the way. I didn't think it was going to do that, and I've used it several times, and it's only been since November, and I didn't realize you had to shake the damn thing. So lesson learned there. So I'm going to go in, and you know what, let's shake this just in case. It maybe didn't need to. I don't think I have to use very much of this, so I'm just going to put a few dots here. Wow. Like, there's like nothing on my finger. A few dots here, and then put whatever's left on my eyelid. And then I'm just going to blend this out with a beauty blender. Maybe I should have worn my regular foundation with this. This would be really good for cut creases. I do like this. This is really nice. Gonna set this real quick with the Fit Me loose powder. I'm in shade 05 Fair. I'm just gonna throw some more of this chapstick on my lips real quick because they are winter nasty and I have a liquid lip to put on. So we're gonna let that soak in. Okay, I'm back again. I feel like the whole unzipped theme with Ipsy, they're going for a very like natural, nude, your own skin kind of look, so I went ahead and did a very neutral, no makeup eye look, just using my Pro palette. And today for mascara I just used the Avon True Color because this is a lighter brown, so it kind of has a more natural look to the lashes. So I'm gonna use this Farrah brush here, and I'm just gonna use the lightest contour color in my kit and do just the tiniest bit of contouring. I don't mind this brush. I'm just going to use a big ass fluffy unicorn brush to put a tiny teensy weensy bit of blush on the cheeks, because we're going natural, we're not going crazy. Alrighty, let's highlight. Miss Glam highlight brush that we got in December's bag. Going in to the Luna highlighter. Ooh, I can see that without my glasses on. Highlight to space. And more. Because this much highlight's natural, right? Yes. Okay, before I go too overboard, I think I really, really like that highlighter. So now we're going into the Ipsy Ipsy color. It is a little darker than I would lean towards for a more natural look, but I'm digging it. So this is our finished natural unzipped Ipsy look for February. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And scream!